What is up guys, today is another video doing the Satria at the hidden workshop. On the previous video what you guys saw, me, Elmin and Mark took out the gearbox of the Satria and found out the clutch is ruined, the flywheel is ruined, clutch cover also ruined. So we waited for that until putting in the gearbox again. While waiting for the gearbox stuff to arrive and settle, Mark has also bought a few more stuff for the Satria. So Mark is obviously with us since we're doing it at his house, and he has started jacking up the rear car. You should use my glove,
Coba use this. Buat sakit punya glove cukup lah.
Garden. So as you all can see, Mark is jacking up his car. That means we're doing something for the rear as well. So Mark has purchased adjustable for the Satria. He bought it off Shopee, and while doing that, we're changing the the absorber mount as well. So that means all the 4 absorber is going to change. So what we have right now with us is the what brand is this actually, Mark? Ralliart. No specific brand.
Yeah.
How much is the one, Mark? The absorber?
The adjustable
The adjustable, yeah.
with shipping 600 something.
600 plus, yo, very cheap.
Right.
So this absorber is 600 plus together with shipping. How about the the gearbox, the absorber mount, how much is it?
The absorber mount. The front one is it?
Yeah,
The front one less than 100 lah.
less than 100, one pair.
Yep.
80-ish. Yes, 80 plus ringgit and 600 plus. Cheap. Never done Satria absorber before. Mark say it's very difficult, so let's find out how difficult can it be. Man, we dropped the gearbox before, man. Rim open. Mark's first time doing heavy work, guys. Like on cars.
Okay, strong.
This is bad news, bro. This is bad news. Huh? Don't you feel the wind, Mark?
Yeah, this one is too open.
Oh, what the fuck?
Right,
Ready? Huh?
yeah. Dah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious lah. That was easy.
Yeah. So I feel rain.
Ya. Prepare tu masuk. Habis. One lower arm is out. Another one.
It's a lot.
Very alive. Susah, bukan main susah. Install ni like water. Yeah. Lower arm. So if that is called lower arm, then what is this called?
Huh? The Malay word is tulang.
Yeah, English?
Atau
Oh, is it? interesting. Damn, my car doesn't have this shit. So it handles like shit. Pagi convert to Satria. How to make your life hard. Meow. Left lower arm. Zazang. This is the front absorber. Taking out the old one. Fine.
Just see got any line.
Okay. Absorber for sale. Changing the yes absorber mount. 80 plus 20. Cheap. Made from where? Thailand. Oh, Thailand. Okay. Oi, serious or not?
What's that? Sticker only there.
They can just in Jaipur, right? Cannot be.
Masuk.
Very nice.
No, until tomorrow still spinning.
Oh, serious? What the hell? Yeah. Coutings. Hey ya. Perfecto. So we have done the front absorber. Now we gotta take out the rear. So we have took out the lower arm, and now we are removing the screw from the top. Then that one. Oh, that one. Okay. And will it drop?
I think it, no, it won't.
Oh yeah, it will. What about?
Want to sambut lah?
Yes, please. Wait.
Laju siap.
Yeah. Ah. Yee, good life. Beautiful. Samsu in Seoul. Settle. Yeah. Now for the next one.
Yeah.
You know what?
Okay. So bad news, the right lower arm on the rear, the width is it's wider, so it's hard to put in. So we're gonna grind it to make a bit of clearance. It's over this side compared to the older lower arm. Look at question. So the lower arm and the older lower arm is less wide compared to by 0.8 mm. It's so hard to knock it in. 0.6 mm. So we're gonna grind off every 0.3 mm on each side, and let's see how it goes. Right? Now this one is wider. Okay, what do you want to do? Exactly 2 mm. Yeah, less accurate, but good. Rain is stopping us from putting. This is the last piece that we need to put in, and it rains again. That's crazy, wait. That is damn crazy. So we gotta wait until the rain goes off. Serious? This one is camera. Huh?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah? Oh. Is it like that? Okay.
Awkward angle.
Awkward position. Perfecto.
Speed of the blow.
Noise.
Cukup wet lah kau.
Yeah. So we shave off. We shave off the metal stuff with the metal mounting point for the right lower arm, and finally it fits. Like, finally. But then we had to do it under the rain because we don't want to wait. We thought the rain was reducing, but crazy, the rain went crazy again. Now, but we managed to do it, and now we're putting back the rim. And yeah, full adjustable in. We still have to do adjusting, but we're gonna do it another day. Mark's gonna wake up the older neighbor.
Okay, right.
Yeah, okay, already. Don't too tight. In the rain. Oh my god. Do you need light, Mark? Me and Mark is under the rain, and my camera is losing focus for some reason. Must be water in the lens. Damn, but then we are already showered in rain, so might as well let the camera join in. Yeah. Look at that, for motorsports, look at mask. Basah gila.
What?
Your shirt basah gila at the back.
Yeah, fuck it lah.
Let's go, double jack stance. Oh, you
What the fuck? Oh, this got the big one, bro. Kasih boy.
Damn.
There's definitely some adjustment.
Adjustable is in, let's go. Front one also in. Woo. Let's go. This session today is actually Mark's, can say, first time doing quite heavy work on car and it's on his Satria and changing absorber. What do you feel about that one? Changing absorber and adjustable on the Satria.
Quite fun.
Is it hard? Would you recommend people to do it at home?
With the proper tool, yes.
Yeah, so for those of you guys who wants to try it at home, if you don't have maybe impact gun, I would maybe you can build more strength with a spanner or a ratchet set, but definitely it helps better with impact gun and electric ratchet. Makes our job way more easy. Definitely,
Yeah.
super easy. And just like that, with all the don't be overwhelmed with all the tools. We actually didn't use so much tools. It's only a few bits only.
The next day.
So yes, that is the video of me and Mark installing adjustable on the Satria. That was Mark's first time installing something heavy on a car. Considerably, all the stuff that he did before is on the smaller scale, like changing bush and whatnot. Pretty fun. And I've never personally installed an adjustable for a Satria. And yeah, for those of you who are interested to buy the adjustable and doing it by yourself, installing it by yourself to save a few ringgit. I mean, installation for adjustable is quite an amount, to be honest, but then if you have a friend to install it with you, you should try it and have the right tools for it. I will put the link over of the adjustable from Shopee in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching the video on the Satria. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
She lays down next to me and she said